Hey everybody, Felix Staffelbaker here. Wanted to make a video about this article from Bazinga titled "Not Bitcoin, Here's Where the Next $30 Trillion in Crypto Could Go," according to a BofA analyst. This is from March 23rd of 2022. It says, the next phase of growth in the cryptocurrency space will be driven by protocols less decentralized than Bitcoin. According to Alkesh Shah, the head of the cryptocurrency and digital asset strategy at BofA Securities. What happened? Speaking at a webinar hosted by Columbia Business School, Shah said the digital asset ecosystem was not going in the direction Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto envisioned it would, but that was not necessarily a bad thing. The future of the crypto ecosystem was likely to be semi-decentralized, Shah said, referring to networks that usually feature a decentralized blockchain with a centralized company or foundation running its operation. If I was going to look at the next $30 trillion for this ecosystem, I would look at the semi-decentralized part. Bitcoin was created as a reaction to the financial crisis and the ability of centralized platforms like banks and central banks to control monetary systems, said Shah. The internet was designed to be a decentralized network, and anybody could be anything on the internet, said Shah, in response to a statement about cryptocurrencies being traded on centralized platforms like Coinbase and PayPal. Ultimately, we want some governance and some level of trust, and that is really what makes an ecosystem real, and that's where we're going. Shah said the cryptocurrency market was able to rise by 1.5 trillion in the last 3 years because of the part of the ecosystem that is not that pure vision of Bitcoin and the pure vision of blockchain. And so basically they're saying that the next 30 trillion, and this is the BofA, guys, I don't think I don't think you realize that they said 30 trillion going to crypto assets that are not Bitcoin. What other blockchain do you know that is even remotely possible for that type of level of everything? Think about it. What have we talked about the past 3 years? $30 trillion? What if $30 trillion went into EOS? Let's just, assume that he's talking about one crypto. That would mean EOS. Do you understand this? That would mean EOS would be $30,000 per coin. What do you think the haters would do if there was just a $30 trillion injection into the EOS ecosystem in one go? I would lose my mind. I know that. I would literally go crazy. I would go insane. Think about that. And I'm not saying that that's going to happen, but could $30 trillion be pumped into EOS in one go? That would definitely coincide with basically everything we've talked about leading up to this point. Think about it. The concentric wave patterns, the cycles all matching up, the cyber pandemic shutting the system down, bringing up the new Bretton Woods, the new global currency, the new global governance model. I mean, this is literally everything, and it's just crazy. it's just really crazy. I think that people are not taking that, even appreciating that $1 trillion, a company like Amazon could move over to EOS type of thing and raise the price to $1,000. People aren't even taking that into consideration. But I've been talking about for a long time that the whole world, every dollar will have to flow through EOS. Every single transaction in the globe, everything that's on any type of digital frequency with any type of transistor will have to go through the EOS-IO protocol. That's just the way everything's going. It will be a global mandated standard with such heavy penalties for not complying that most people will just comply. Let's put it that way. So I just want to put that out there because, that just boggles the mind. And then you've got people who are like, EOS is a ghost chain, EOS is dead, blah, blah, blah. So I just want to put that out there. Stoffel Baker out.